Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also that bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up, and that's where you guys come in. If you enjoy the content that I make, and that I make so much of it, please take a second when you arrive to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones get noticed on this huge YouTube platform. So I'm thanking everyone in advance for that thumbs up. Okay guys, this is really something very different that I'm going to be doing. It's in reference to a product that was sent to me when I opened up my Allure box. It's got to be at least a couple of months ago. All of us who got Allure a couple of months ago, we got these fantastic sample sizes of shampoos. And during my video, I mentioned, that Frizz is my middle name in reference to my hair and all of that. And this company reached out through direct message and asked me if there's a third component to the shampoo and conditioner, if I'd be interested in trying the product. And that was it. They didn't say like, we'd like you to make a video or anything like that. So I put these two samples aside and I never used them because I was waiting for that third product that would make it this kit to be completely put together. In the meantime, this product and this brand, it is called ALLURE LatinUS, and this one here, it has keratin in it, which is something that I used to use all the time in my hair. I used to go for the treatments to help make everything smooth and so on and so forth. And if you've ever been through those keratin treatments, they're first of all very, very expensive, but more importantly, they're like a good 6 to 7 hour day when you're at the salon for it, and then you can't wash your hair. It's like a whole procedure. So when a shampoo and a conditioner has that in it and it can help promise without giving frizz and all of those things, it really intrigued me. But like I said, I put it aside because I was waiting for this package to come. And then I completely forgot about it. And then all of a sudden this weekend, this package arrived. So I opened it up and it brought back that, oh yes, this company did reach out, and they ended up sending me the full size of the third step, which is the Lock and Look styling cream. So what I did today was I washed my hair, I conditioned it with their sample sizes that they put in, and then I used their product here. What I can tell you, I want to read to you a little bit about this brand and all of that, just to make you a little bit more aware of it. But like I always share with you, when we get products in subscription boxes, it's always very exciting to try new products that are not always new to the market, but they might be new to us. And this product was completely new to me, but it was also available on Amazon. And I'm an Amazon shopper, and I'm also on Amazon. I have those links that I can share with you there, and then we supposedly make a small commission on Amazon if you use the links. But why I'm sharing this with you is because I wanted to share with you my experience in reference to the product, because I was really, really impressed. So what I also like about it is affordable, and they also have these sample sizes available on Amazon as well. And I'm going to leave all the links down below because they have it where you can buy the shampoo on its own, the conditioner on its own, or this styling cream on its own, or they have a kit where you can buy them all together. And then, like I said, they also have this item here that it comes not only with these two, it also comes with a third one, which I really wish, if they were doing something with Allure, that they would have put all three in, because I used it with the three because that's what they recommended, and my hair is exceptionally soft. And the manageability, even when I just used the conditioner right after, first of all, the shampoo gave me beautiful lather, which is something I like, but this is also a really fantastic product just based what's in here. So I wasn't expecting a lather. I think everything about it really surprised me. So let me just read you a little bit because I took the information down. And what this is called the ALLURE LatinUS Beauty Lock the Look Anti-Frizz. It's a vegan keratin, long-lasting, and what I'm going to be reading to you about is the styling cream. And it also has Murumuru butter, and it also is good for hard to manage curly, thick, or even thin and frizzy hair. So it's really for everybody. But as you know, my hair gets thick, and as humidity, and now I'm in Florida, it just seems to grow. So this, I usually don't even start with it being this beautiful and this luxurious feeling. It's just so soft. So this one here, it says the information on this. This on its own is $19.99, and they're saying it is the gold standard for frizz control. It's endorsed by the female athletes and celebrities who need their hair to look beautiful, healthy, and under control. It works on all hair types for women as well as men. They're saying it is a game-changing manageability. They're saying the styling cream is formulated with a powerful fighting ingredient that originated from the Amazon. It also has that Murumuru butter that creates a lightweight barrier that prevents the humidity, which again is what helps give us that beautiful frizz that none of us like. Then it says it is a shinier, smoother hair. They're saying it is a proprietary, and it's called Impossible Keratin Complex, which is a vegan keratin. It is vegan collagen. It has silk amino acids, and it provides 3 times the strength and 3 times the flexibility at a microscopic level, resulting in a shinier, healthy, and smoother hair. It says it's powerful and safe formula. It's proven to be also sulfate-free, all the frees, cruelty-free, but the one that I was looking for, and it is also colorant-free. And it also is paraben free. It reduces the styling time, it enhances elasticity, and it improves the wet and dry combing strength in your hair and aid in damage recovery with use. They also have like 100% satisfaction guarantee and all of that. So there's like really no way that you shouldn't try this, because what I'm going to tell you is my experience, but it is Amazon, and with Amazon it's really easy to also do returns, but they also, the company on its own offers 100% satisfaction guarantee as well. And they're saying expect frizz-free hair every time. If you're unsatisfied, they will give you a full refund, and it includes a full-size activating styling product to give you healthy, smooth hair. This full size here in here, the amount that is in here is 8 fluid ounces. These little sample sizes that we got aren't so little. There's 1 ounce in each of these. So like I said, the shampoo for me gave me a fantastic lather. I always do too. And with me, it's always, I don't want to strip my color. And when you live in a climate like in Florida, either your hair's always up or you're always trying to do something to it, and to try to keep the oils at bay and things like that. But when you go for a walk or anything, you're just warm all the time. So I try my best, because when you have a lot of hair like I do, you do not want to, and it's not healthy for your hair either, to wash it often as well. So I did my color and all of that, and my next shampoo was going to be the one where I was going to try a new shampoo. And then this arrived, so I decided to find my sample sizes of this to use this one, and it did not strip my color. And that is something that is so important when you take the time and the expense to color treat your hair, that you know the more that you wash, the more that you put anything in, it is going to strip the color. Plus my hair grows still, so I always have a little bit of the grays that peep in even before my color is ready to go, because my hair grows. So for me, this really, I feel, I would have been impressed with just the shampoo and conditioner. This definitely was the cherry on top, because what I ended up doing, and normally as I share with you all the time, what I like to do is I like to do a shampoo and a conditioner in the shower, and then I always use one outside of the shower, that is those leave-in conditioners, and then I'll put in, you know, depending on what I'm going to be doing with my hair, if I'm going to be straightening it, I definitely put a heat protectant on, and then I do it through. I wanted to solely use these products. So what I ended up doing was I did not do the conditioner leave-in. Instead of that, I used this product. And then I put it in, and I combed my hair out. The hair combed beautifully, even just with the conditioner. And again, it did the same with the styling cream. The difference was, what I found is I also use Velcro rollers just to give me a little bit of volume. And then about a half hour later, I take the Velcro rollers out. And I found that, first of all, with this amount of smoothness to it and the softness to it, I didn't think I would be able to keep my hair with a little bit of volume, because it feels so soft. but there's something in here that not only do you get that keratin treatment that gives you that softness and the straight hair, it also really truly is a styling cream that you're able to put Velcro rollers, and it will definitely still give you that hold. So I'm impressed with this. And like I said, I wasn't planning on doing a video. I was planning, just because they reached out on Instagram, I was just going to post on Instagram thanking them for sending this over. But as you know, when I receive something or I buy something, I want to make sure that if it's something that I'm enjoying, that I want to make sure that you guys know about it too. So what I will do is I will leave my Amazon links exactly, with, if you just want to try the shampoo, the conditioner, if you want the kit, if you want to just try the sample sizes. I think this is really worth the try. Like I said, I'm impressed. This is the first time that I'm using it. I definitely have enough in here for, I'm sure, another shampoo and conditioner. So I will be doing that again. And then I'll see if my thoughts change. But just based on now how I'm feeling, also the scent on this is mild. It's not overpowering at all, but it is a really pleasant scent. There's no, it doesn't smell too flowery or too spicy. It just smells nice. And I'm impressed with this. So I wanted to make sure to sit down and then just share this with you guys. So like I said, it says, also this is made in the USA, because I know that's important to a lot of you guys too. And like I said, I will leave all the links down below. But I like when we're able to find something and it ends up being a winner and it's at attainable prices, and then on top of it, it is Amazon, which is great because you place the order, it's on Prime, you'll get it in a day or two. You don't have to wait when you're excited to try something new if you're anything like me. All right, so once again, thank you to them for reaching out on Instagram, for wanting to send over to True Wants the styling cream. So thank you for that. But I will be reaching back out to them on Instagram to thank them there as well. And that's why I always tell you that if you're not following me on Instagram, you are missing out. My name there is True Wants with the number 2, because when I'm trying or testing certain things that don't, need a video, or I get a sample size of something and I tried it and it doesn't require a full video, I do that and I share with it on Instagram. And then of course, at the end of the month, I share everything that we've purchased or received during the month, and I do my end of month tower, and then I open up every single box, and then I organize myself. And as you know, we do giveaways and things like that on this channel too. So make sure that you're following me on Instagram. Again, the name there is True Wants with the number 2, because this I probably would have shared just on there, and then just because I got so excited, and I'm going to be filming today because I got another box in that we were waiting for, that I wanted to make sure to sit down and do this video for you guys. So as always, I appreciate when you guys take any time out of your day that you choose to spend it with me here. I will leave links to everything in the description box down below. So if you're interested, and if you end up trying it, please make sure to come back to the comments and share with me your thoughts, and definitely leave your hair type and so on and so forth, because I'm always interested to know that if something works for me, when you guys share that it works for you guys too, it's everything. All right, take care, and I'll see you all soon again in my next video. Bye for now.